Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls are very welcome back to the UK. Local time, I make that according to my watch, just after 7:45. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now that we have left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave us, please ensure you have all your belongings with you. Please check the seat pocket, under your seat and in the overhead compartment. Do take extra care when you do open the overhead compartment to ensure that nothing falls out. If you were given an additional seat belt or life jacket, please can you leave these on your seat. If you checked in the children's pushchairs, you can collect these with your luggage in the arrivals hall. And for those customers who've asked for assistance, we ask you please to remain seated until all passengers have disembarked, and then the crew will be very happy to come down and assist you. As a reminder, smoking is not permitted, including electronic cigarettes, until you're in a clearly marked smoking area, which will be outside the terminal building. Here at TUI, we're always very keen to hear about your holiday experience with us, including the booking process, resort services, your accommodation, and of course your flight. In a few days' time, we'll be sending you an online questionnaire via your email. Please do fill out this quick questionnaire, as your feedback is very important to us, and as a thank you, you'll be entered into a competition and you could win £2,500 off your next holiday with us. Finally, on behalf of Captain Mox and all your crew today, we thank you for flying with TUI Airways, and we'd like to give you a very safe onward journey to your final destination. And just a final reminder that a charity bag will be at the door. If you'd like to leave any foreign currency, they'll be put to good use, and our TUI Foundation will also Make a Wish Foundation. Thank you and good evening.